Hello, everybody. My name is Lauren Gerhart, and this is Legal Research Week 5. So, first, we're going to be talking about the role of secondary authority. So, secondary sources such as legal encyclopedias, treatises, and the American Law Report support legal research and clarify complex issues by giving general summaries and in-depth discussions of legal topics. So secondary sources might be more effective to start out with for research because it creates a general understanding and basis so that you can understand the legal topics such as primary sources, statutes, case law. Because if you don't understand the overall legal issue, it will be increasingly difficult to understand the case as well. So, second, we're going to be talking about the types of secondary authority. So, legal encyclopedias give overviews of legal topics. It can also help you locate case law in your legal area, and they do not criticize or analyze the law. Treatises provide in depth explanations of the law. It also analyzes and criticizes the law. American Law Reports has comprehensive analysis of individual issues from every jurisdiction. So, of these secondary sources, I find the most useful for understanding complex legal issues to be the American Law Report because they are very specific to the jurisdiction and give you insight on individual cases as well. Um, Next, I would say would be treatises and then encyclopedias. So, third, we're going to be talking about research tools. So, Legal Digest provides like topical organization of case law and summaries. And that allows you to find cases without having to review whole opinions. The Shepard citations ensures the validity of a precedent by determining how a case has been treated by later courts. So together, they help researchers find applicable law and confirm that it's still good law. For example, if you were to Shepardize to analyze Brown versus Board of Education, it shows that in later courts that upheld that racial segregation in public education is unconstitutional. It also reveals how the courts extend its reasoning to other contexts as well. So, for legal research, it shows the longstanding holding of the case and how it can be determined in different ways. Next, we're me talking about the practical application. So, I would begin with secondary authorities like encyclopedias, treatises, law reviews to provide background knowledge on the subject and identify like key legal issues. They clarify difficult areas of law and give, relevant statutes and cases to look forward to afterwards. Um, and after I review those secondary authorities, I go to the statutes and case law to provide an attorney with understanding of the issues to start more in-depth primary authority research. To refine searches, I start with filters based on specific legal problems at hand, and then filter the results even more based on just jurisdiction and how recent it is. I focus primarily on sources from professional databases with a national authority, or just reliable sources and scholarly and professional databases for state level things as well. And I record all of the material using Blue Book format to make sure that it's properly referenced to professionally demonstrate the understanding in legal documents.